Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DocSend for investor pitch deck sharing with tracking step by step clearly. To activate DocSend for investor pitch deck sharing with tracking, begin by navigating to the DocSend website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to fill in your details and verify your email address. Once logged in, locate the dashboard where all your documents will be managed. Click on the Upload button to add your investor pitch deck. Select the file from your computer and upload it to DocSend. Once the file is uploaded, you will see it listed on your dashboard. Click on the document to open its Settings menu. In the Settings menu, enable tracking features to monitor viewer engagement. Adjust the privacy settings based on whom you want to share your pitch deck with. You can add a custom link for easier access and branding. Once settings are configured, click on the Share button to generate a shareable link. Copy the link provided by DocSend. Now, you can send this link to your investors via email or any other preferred communication method. Monitor the engagement analytics in your DocSend dashboard to see how investors interact with your presentation. Review the metrics to gain insights into which sections captured the most interest. This data can help you refine your pitch and better engage your audience in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.